Hey everybody, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates today. We're doing a paver restoration on a project that we installed a few years back. They're having issues with some of the joints and some growth. So hang tight and I'll show you what we got. Alright, so we have this Techo-Bloc Mista Paver. We have some issues here with sealer that we're going to try to get up there. But the joints is a grade 9 gravel, and we're actually going to take that out and we're going to put in a resin sand. Got a low spot here from a pest that's infiltrated the paver guide. So we'll go ahead and raise those up a little bit, but everything else is pretty solid. So it's a general cleaning today. We're going to be evacuating the joints and then sweeping in the fresh sand. So we'll go ahead and we'll pick up all these leaves. This area back in here is really shady, so there's a lot of moss and mildew growth. So once we do the restoration on this, we're going to go ahead and put them on a maintenance plan for keeping that at bay, that surface growth. So there we have it. So we'll get the leaves up, we'll fire up the machine, start washing. We'll get the stain from the sealer out over here as best we can, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall the new sand. Alright, so we got this half done back in here. We're all touched up along the edges using the wand. We'll do that fine tuning with wand as well. And we'll go ahead and we'll finish up this front half with the surface cleaner. And obviously you can see here's the low spot that we need to patch up. Alright, so here we go. We are cleaned and we've evacuated the top surfaces of these joints down deep enough for the resin sand to take hold. We got this all fixed up, raised up right. All the edges are all detailed with the wand. The asphalt sealer that was oversprayed by the driveway, we took that off, and we're ready for resin sand now. Alright, here we go. We're all sanded in. We use the resin sand stone gray color. And again, that goes in wet. So now this resin sand cures with oxygen that's in the air. So we'll let it sit for a couple of days. It's just going to react. It'll cure up. There is a welcome mat that used to be right here. I'm going to opt to not put that down because I don't want to block any kind of air access to it. So I'll just, once I wash the glider bench down, put that back. I'll leave the welcome mat over there with that. And we should be good. So another one in the bag, and we'll see you on the next one.